How to speed up a video in Snapchat. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to speed up a video in Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you are on the camera screen, go ahead and record the video you want to edit. You can also select a video from your gallery if you already have one. Once the video is recorded or selected, swipe left on the screen to go through the available filters. Keep swiping until you find the Speed Up filter. It is marked with fast forward arrows, and as you can see here, it makes the video play faster. Tap on it to apply the effect. The video will now play at an increased speed, giving it a fun and dynamic look. If you want to adjust it further, you can swipe again to explore other speed options, such as slow motion or reverse. After applying the speed up effect, tap on the send icon to share the video with your friends or post it to your story. This feature is useful when you want to make your content more engaging or fit a longer clip into a shorter time. The process is quick and easy, and you can always re-record if you want to try a different effect. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to speed up a video in Snapchat.